HIV vaccine trials begins. Hello friends, welcome back to Mark Medicals. Today let us talk about HIV vaccine trials that have already begun. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe today to continue learning from our expert physicians. If a person is vaccinated against a certain disease, the body is activated to produce antibodies which helps in identification of the disease-causing germs. These antibodies will stay in our bodies for a long time such that, if the real disease attacks you, your body will know how to cure it using previous existing antibodies. Alright. I have already told you the top leading companies that are spearheading vaccine production. I also already told you how complete HIV cure trials have passed phase 1. Also, in my other videos, I already explained how in 2009, HIV vaccine trials in Thailand were able to prevent new HIV infections by 31%, which was quite encouraging. But this is more interesting news. The news making rounds on various websites indicate that current vaccine trials have successfully controlled new HIV infections in 97% of the 48 enrolled participants. This is quite impressive and has very promising experimental outcomes. Scientists have designed a mechanism to activate B cells, one of the cells of the immune system, to produce what is known as broadly neutralizing antibodies. These antibodies are the only game changer because once infused in you, HIV won't be able to bind your CD4 cells and hence no HIV infection will occur. A technology where your own immune system is activated to stop HIV infection is amazing, and if the same results are reproduced in further final clinical study phases, we shall all happily say bye-bye HIV. Alright. Please do not sit on this information, share with your friends this good news, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting HIV news. Cheers!